Jesse, as any other computer enthusiast, is always working on this computer, creating content, visiting his favorite websites for help, and so on. But what Jesse doesn't know, all his data traffic is being sniffed silently by a hacker. His internet service provider, chats and logs, the websites he visits, everything is being seen clearly by the hacker. The hacker can see where Jesse is going on the internet and what he's doing. Well, here's the metaphor. Well, every time you connect to public Wi-Fi, shop online, or just browse the web, your personal data travels across the open internet, where it can be seen, tracked, and even stolen, like what's happening to Jesse here. So, how should Jesse protect himself from search attacks? With a virtual private network, of course, or VPN as commonly known. Think of it as building a secure private tunnel between you and the internet, whereby all your data first goes to the VPN, then to the internet. But before we get to know what a VPN actually does, make sure to share this video to that one friend who likes connecting to public Wi-Fi, not knowing all their data is being stolen and sold on the dark web. Oh, and make sure also subscribe too with addition of a comment down below. Okay, so what does a VPN actually do? The first job of a VPN is encryption. When you connect, it scrambles all your data into an unreadable code before it leaves your device or reaching the real internet. This is like putting your car inside an armored truck. No one on the outside can see what's inside. This encrypted data then travels through a secure pathway to your VPN provider's server. That exact server then talks to the public internet for you. To help visit any website of your liking, your traffic appears to come from the VPN server's location and IP address, not your real one. This hides your identity and location. Quick notice. It might not be a hacker snooping on your online activity, it can also be your internet service provider. As for instance, I am currently using the Savannah Fiber Limited Wi-Fi provider, but as you can see here, the VPN is warning me silently. Your internet service provider is the company that connects you to the internet. They can log your online activity. In some countries, they can sell your data to advertisers. In others, they can be required to handle it over to the government. A VPN hides your IP address, protecting you from ISP interference. A VPN is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic shield. It does not make you anonymous from the websites you log into if you use your real name. It doesn't stop viruses or malware from infecting your device if you download them. And it does not protect you from giving your information to phishing websites. You still need good antivirus software and common sense. So, a VPN encrypts your online data traffic, routes it through a private tunnel to hide it from local networks and your internet service provider, and masks your IP address, making it seem you're from another country or location. It's an essential first layer of defense for anyone who values their online security. Thanks for watching, and in the next video, I'll be showing you that beyond VPNs, there's something better that can make you go completely anonymous online. It's Just Byte. See you in the next one.